पधारो ने भारत.
Did you know how India rediscovered time? This is Jantar Mantar, a huge complex of 14 different devices that will tell you about space and time. So hey guys, this is Saikat Datta, and in this video we will know about the Jantar Mantar in Jaipur. The word Jantar is taken from the word Yantra, which means machine, and Mantar literally means calculating. So these are literally machines that calculate things. But first, let's turn back time a little. The story begins in 18th century when a king started to focus on science. Maharaja Savai Jai Singh too was very smart. He had mastered 5 languages in his time, including Arabic and Sanskrit. While rest of India was busy in fighting for land, he looked at the sky. The king was passionate about mathematics and astronomy. He looked at the night sky and tried to find some logic behind this magic. Jai Singh started his scientific pursuit by studying Islamic school of astronomy. He borrowed some elements from Greek and Persian observatories. He had built 5 Jantar Mantar in northern India, and the largest one is over here in Jaipur. The other Jantar Mantars are in Mathura, Ujjain, Varanasi and in Delhi. The observatory consists of 14 geometric devices for measuring the time of the day, distance of heavenly bodies, predicting eclipse and locations of constellations. Jaipur is awesome for many reasons. One of them is because Maharaja invited astronomers from different countries to share their ideas and discuss our place in the universe. At that time, they used brass instruments to observe celestial objects, but they weren't very accurate. Jai Singh was a perfectionist. He saw the larger picture. He wanted to build something big that is timeless and can measure things with perfection. That's why he built this. This is called Samrat Yantra. It's a sundial, but it's not an ordinary shadow casting machine. It is the biggest in the world and is more accurate than your average clock. The Samrat Yantra divides each hour into 4 blocks of 15 minutes each. Each 15-minute block is divided into 1 minute each. Samrat Yantra gives you an accurate time of this particular location, and even after so many years, the technology that we have developed 300 years ago is accurate up to 2 seconds. That means when you are here, trust this more than your ordinary phone. Out of the 5 observatories, Mathura lies in the ruins. Ujjain and Varanasi are almost in the ruins, and the one which is at Delhi will not last long in future. Let's hope we admire and preserve what we have now. But that's only possible if you start respecting our knowledge. Today, we are forced to believe that West is miles ahead of us. But that's not true. When the US was busy in slave trading and extreme racism, India was thinking about the stars. The Jantar Mantar is the proof that if you rise above mediocrity, sky's the limit.